if you, thanks to YouTube, I found how to do it, but not how to get back the lag off my QuickTime Player. Okay, I'm gonna be playing, I guess, Call of Duty. Okay, guys. Hold on, after done listen. Okay, hey guys, what's up? Okay, what the? This is a silly texture pack. Okay. Um. I'm gonna get okay. USP 45. Hey guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go do some parkour outside. Whoa! The server isn't really, online that much. So, guys, I'm just gonna practice Ollie. Okay, boy. My dog's right here. Hey, Ozzy. Okay. Enough with. Hopefully, this thing will start soon. So, to any of you that think I don't reply to my fans, well, I'm doing a Minecraft video right here, so you're welcome, guys. Whoa. Sorry about my sister too, guys. But okay. And to you dudes that think I don't reply to anyone that much, please don't think that, because I just don't. I sometimes forget. Okay, enough with that. Okay, let's just start. Let's just make this thing start over. Aww. If you guys could tell me how to get my vibrator off this thing, that would be great. That would be great. And I'm sorry if it vibrates too. I can't chat either. I wish this thing would stop vibrating. Echoing. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm starting. I'm on red team right now. Let's kick some butt, guys. What is this? Oh, easy. Alright. Candy cane. Pull my pistol out. Okay, it's a bit anticlimactic for this big pistol on Call of Duty. Yes. Dang, this is hard, guys. And for the people that think I don't, really do it that much, well, this is your thing. I'm gonna upload this video to almost an hour, maybe almost an hour or two, you know. I gotta get together. I'm sorry if I don't talk a lot on these videos. Whenever I usually play Minecraft, like I don't do like, you know, you might know Sunday, you know, he has 3 million hits. If you subscribe him, please subscribe me, please. That would be great. And if I'm not talking, and I'm not talking too loud, please tell me if I'm talking too loud.
Agents, you are cleared for contact.
Sorry about that. And I haven't played this game in a while. Dang it.
Neutralize all hostiles.
I wish this game would be so quiet. And I'll be doing, I'm gonna get another TV, so I'll be doing Call of Duty live streams, you know, all that, face cam, like I'd always do for my other 5 videos. Get wrecked, bro.
Let's get in and out, clean.
Buy new guns. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do some more parkour. Oh gosh. Parkour is kind of fun. Check out the server. And Sunday's server and Sunday's channel. I'll leave that link down below for Sunday's server. Or Sunday's channel. I might make another YouTube channel. Dang it, I wish I was in creative right now so I could see the rest of this stuff. What is that? Oh yeah, it's just starting. 3, 2, 1, we're starting. Okay, we're having a team deathmatch and it looks like I'm on the red team this time. Well, like I was on the other time. Go, my army! Okay, I'm gonna be hitting someone with a candy cane for some reason. That's odd. Hide it. Why can't I shoot? Oh gosh, he is like a truck. And I'm sorry if it echoes. I don't know how to deal with that. We're about to move and get a new TV. We're gonna move to Cali, so I'm gonna be with my cousin. So I'm lucky we're gonna live in Cali and live by my cousin. You know, Louisiana rules. Bam! Oh gosh, I'm getting there.
Stay calm and focus.
Oh gosh, I need to turn my sound down. Okay, guys. Okay, I need to turn my sound down. I don't know. If y'all can, you can tell me if y'all can't hear me, you can't hear me. You know, y'all can tell me all that.
Squad, we are cleared for contact.
So, hold up. Let me